नमस्कार. जय श्री कृष्ण. श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंदा. Enunciating text 16, text 17 and text 18 of chapter 5. Vidur talks with Maitreya of third canto of the status quo Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 16. स विश्व जन्म स्थिति समय मार्थेन कृतावतारः प्रगृहीत शक्तिः चकार कर्माण्यति पुरुषाणि ज्ञानेश्वरः कीर्तय तानि मह्यम्. Kindly chant all those transcendental superhuman activities of the Supreme Controller, the personality of Godhead, who accepted incarnations fully equipped with all potency for the full manifestation and maintenance of the cosmic creation. Vidur was undoubtedly very eager to hear about Lord Krishna in particular, but he was overwhelmed because Lord Krishna had just passed away from the visible world. He therefore wanted to hear about him in his Purusha incarnations, which he manifests with full potencies for the creation and maintenance of the cosmic world. The activities of the Purusha incarnations are but an extension of the activities of the Lord. This hint was given by Vidur to Maitreya because Maitreya could not decide which part of the activities of Lord Krishna should be chanted. Text 17. Shri Shuka Uvacha Sa evam Bhagwan Prushtah Kshatra Kausharavo Muniha Pumsam Niha Shreyasarthen Tamaha Bahumanayan. Shukdev Goswami said the great sage Maitreya Muni, after honoring Vidur very greatly, began to speak at Vidur's request of the greatest welfare for all people. The great sage Maitreya Muni is described here as Bhagwan because he surpassed all ordinary human beings in learning and experience. Thus, his selection of the greatest welfare service for the world is considered authoritative. The all-inclusive welfare service for the entire human society is devotional service to the Lord, and as requested by Vidur, the sage described the same very appropriately. Text 18. Maitreya Uvacha Sadhu Prushtam Tvaya Sadho Lokan Sadhvanu Bruhanata Kirtim Vitanbata Loke Atmano Adhoksha Jatmanah. Shri Maitreya said, O Vidur, all glory unto you. You have inquired from me of the greatest of all goodness, and thus you have shown your mercy both to the world and to me because your mind is always absorbed in thoughts of the transcendence. Maitreya Muni, who was experienced in the science of transcendence, could understand that Vidur's mind was fully absorbed in transcendence. Adhokshaja means that which transcends the limits of sense perception or sensuous experience. The Lord is transcendental to our sense experience, but he reveals himself to the sincere devotee. Because Vidur was always absorbed in thought of the Lord, Maitreya could estimate Vidur's transcendental value. He appreciated the valuable inquiries of Vidur and thus thanked him with great honor. Hare Krishna.